Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the best camera settings on the Samsung Galaxy A07. For the fifth best camera setting, just open the camera app, then tap on the four dots over here and go to settings. And from here, just enable two features. The first feature you have to enable is Scene Optimizer. And by enabling this toggle, your smartphone will automatically optimize the colors and the contrast of the pictures. And the second feature you have to enable is Auto HDR. After you enable this feature, the photos which you will capture with the camera of your smartphone will have more details in the bright and the dark areas. And also make sure you disable high efficiency pictures. And after you disable this feature, the format of the photos which you will capture will not be in HEIF format and they will be in the JPEG format because some apps and websites do not support the HEIF format, so it is better to disable this feature. The fourth best camera settings are camera filters. For that, just open the camera app, then tap on the four dots over here. And over here, you will find the option of filters. And from here, you will be able to apply filters to the photos you will capture. From here, just select the filter which you like best. And also you can increase or decrease the intensity of the colors in the filters from the slider over here, just like that. Now the third best camera setting is that you can change the resolution of the camera from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels. As you can see, the camera resolution is currently 12 megapixels. But if you tap on it, you can increase the resolution by selecting 50 megapixels. But remember, if you increase the resolution to 50 megapixels, the filters, the Auto HDR, and the Scene Optimizer will be disabled. Just like that. In this situation, just select the mode which you like best. If you want more resolution, just select 50 megapixels. But if you want to improve the colors and the HDR, just disable 50 megapixels and enable the Scene Optimizer and the Auto HDR from the settings. Now the second best camera settings in the camera of your Samsung phone is food mode. For that, in the camera app, just tap on more. And from here, you will find the option of food. Just tap on it. And once you do that, you will enable the food mode. And in this mode, the camera of your smartphone will improve the colors of the pictures you take. And it will also focus on the object and it will blur the surrounding. Now for the first best camera settings on your Samsung phone is night mode. For that, in the camera app, just tap on more, then tap on night. And in night mode, the camera of your smartphone will improve the pictures you take in low lighting conditions. And these are the best camera settings on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.